you're having some issues with your laptop, such as these error messages like this when you try to access your OneNote, your account might have been temporarily frozen. Now you might think that this error is hard to fix, but with this video tutorial, we would show how easy you can troubleshoot this problem. Just note that this error is one of the many error codes that can appear while using OneNote, and it might be caused by a corrupted user file or you are using an old account. Now to fix it, you should try unfreezing your account online. You can do that by opening up your browser, type in onedrive.live.com in the search bar, and then hit enter. This will redirect you to OneDrive and log in your account. But since this account we are showing you is not an old account, the warning message will not show here, but after signing in, you should have this message that says your account has been frozen. Therefore, you should click on freeze, and after clicking on freeze, you might get this notification. But most of the time, 10 minutes later and you can get into your OneNote again without the error. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.